Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 48 from section 3. That means it is a numerical answer type question. In this type of questions, we need to find a numerical answer uh, for the questions in that part. So let's see what is in this question. A metallic wire of electric resistance 40 ohm is bent in the form of square loop. The resistance between any two diagonally opposite corners is dash ohm. So now let's get into the solution. A metallic wire of electrical resistance 40 ohm is bent in the form of a square loop. And the picture of this is shown below. Okay, B, C, D, A. So here we have 10 ohm, here we have also 10. In the four sides we have 10 ohms. Okay. Since arm AB and BC are connected in series, AB and BC are connected in series, therefore R EQ is equals to RAB plus RBC. That means 10 plus 10, 20 ohm, and arm AD and CD are also connected in series. Therefore, REQ is equals to RAD plus RCD. Therefore, 10 plus 10, again we have 20 ohm. The resistance between diagonally opposite corner A and C is 1 by RAC, which is equals to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20, hence 2 by 20, that means 1 by 10 ohm. Hence RAC is equals to 10 ohm. Okay, so the required answer is 10. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.